Sorry I never put enough work on us. I'm sorry I'd never said any of this when you were alive.
So, how do we start?
I don't know. I'm not really sure how this works.
We could tell a story together. I think we used to.
Okay. What kind of story?
How about the one with the plant man?
I remember that one. We never finished it, did we?
No, we did not. I'll be the plant man. And you're gonna be the one that planted me.
You don't exactly look like a plant man.
Come on, this is our story. We can do whatever we want.
I've tried everything on your manual, and it's still getting worse. Yes, I have the second thought. No, I don't want to replace it.
I don't like how this story ends.
What?
Can't we have a nicer ending?
Why would you end it?
I don't know.
I want you to know I've heard every word you said.
Their love healed the plant man and he recovered or something?
I'll try to work less and enjoy the little things more. You didn't like that I never ironed my shirts. I will do that from now on.
It's not really how this ended, though, was it?
I won't roll around so much in bed and fall off of it. I will take care of your garden that you're so proud of. No.
It wasn't.
Sorry I never had enough time for you. Sorry I was always so angry at the stupidest things. I promise I won't cry all the time. I'll never stop loving you. Even though this hurts so much. I'm gonna be okay. I know that this time, you are the one going away.
Food is now my only friend. It welcomes me through streets and through bends. But no matter how long I stay, it'll never know my name. Yeah, I am a long way